nigga. Get him yards to my flag, cause nigga mean danger. Why the fuck you being friendly and you talking to a stranger? I stick you to the wall, now your nickname Hanger. I'm wanted by the feds, I'm an MC Strangler. I catch your ass slipping while you riding in the Ranger. Your life's on the phone line, bitch, nigga, I hanged up. Disconnected, I'ma use this deadly weapon and I'm aiming at his chest, so it's hard to get dissected. Lead hit your flesh, now your body is infected. Niggas think they shining eye jacking for his necklace. Take it to my house and then mark it on my checklist. Tired of you rappers and your witty ass punchlines. See, I'll make your heart beat faster than the drum line. I make niggas run quicker than when drug dealers hit one time. See, I know these niggas down my rap, they like, that boy words ain't true. They like, how this nigga thuggin', but I look so cute. See, my daddy was a star and my mama was Zeus. And your daddy was a monkey and your mama's a moose. Ew! This shit real gives a fuck how you niggas feel. My shotty making bodies flip, so we call it windmill. Bitch, sit still.